上好，小朋友们。Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to look at reviewed 和 and do. Do means both and all the usage. We're gonna review it, see how to do it. So I'm going to do number 1 and number 3 with you together. Okay. So 高文中 is the name. 高文中有姐姐，李友也有姐姐。高文中 has a sister. 李友 has a sister. So if we are going to use 和 and do, how are we going to do it? You can say, I'm going to type in pinyin, okay? 高文中和李友都 you put 都 after the pronouns and before the verb. 都有 both have 姐 okay. 好 So number 3, 李友没有我的照片，王鹏也没有我的照片。李友 doesn't have my photos. Wang Peng also doesn't have my photos. So how can we do it? So we'll say 李友和 I'm just checking if it's recording. 和王鹏都 you put 都 after the pronouns before the verb. 都没有我的照片. Okay, so a few words you think you might feel unfamiliar with is 律师 right? 律师 is lawyer. 他哥哥不是律师，他弟弟也不是律师。这个人 this person 这个人不叫白英爱，那个人 that person 也不叫白英爱 also isn't called 白英爱。好， so let's see how well you can do this one. I think this is a little challenging today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in Google Classroom, or you can schedule one-on-one Zoom meeting with me. Alright, have a good day. 再见。